Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Obsidian versus Anytype to help you decide which is better for your needs. We'll explore their core functionalities, unique strengths, and ideal use cases. Notion offers an all-in-one workspace, while Obsidian excels in local knowledge management with Markdown. Anytype provides a privacy-centric, local-first approach, emphasizing data ownership and peer-to-peer synchronization. Let's dive into the specifics of each platform. Notion shines in collaborative environments, offering robust project management, databases, and shared workspaces, making it perfect for teams. Obsidian, on the other hand, is a haven for individual knowledge workers, allowing deep connections between notes and a highly customizable experience. Anytype caters to those who value complete control over their data, providing a secure, local-first environment with a unique object-oriented structure for organizing information. Each tool serves distinct purposes. When it comes to customization, Obsidian leads with its vast plugin ecosystem and theme support, allowing users to tailor nearly every aspect. Notion offers powerful database customization and templates, but your data resides in their cloud. Anytype stands out for its commitment to data ownership. All your information is stored locally and encrypted, giving you complete control and peace of mind. This fundamental difference impacts how you interact with your knowledge. Regarding accessibility and cost, Notion provides a generous free personal plan, with paid options for more extensive team features. Obsidian's core application is free, offering a powerful local experience, while optional services like Sync and Publish come with a subscription. Anytype is currently free to use during its beta development, with the promise of a free-forever local-first experience and potential premium features in the future. Consider your budget and feature needs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.